that I dedicate myself to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation.
Most expected session. Last but not the least, our principal, Mr. Patel Mahalik, will address you on this.
We must actively work together against these forces who try to divide the country through divisive mentalities. As students, you have the power to shape the future because you are the next future of India. Let your voices be instruments of change and development, and then it will reflect that we all are a part of larger community, not communities. Share stories that celebrate diversity and common humanity as social media in the strongest tool to spread these positive effects. As we honor Sardar Patel's vision, let's commit ourselves to the ideas of peace and coexistence without hatred and beyond religion and intolerance. Remember, the foundation of a strong nation is you, the people, the next generation. Each of you plays a vital role in building and united India. Every individual can contribute to national unity, however small it is, maybe in your way of contribution. Let us celebrate our rich culture of Indianness. Unity is not just a concept, it is a practice and a habit to practice always. Engage with peers from different backgrounds and look into their stories and share their own. As future leaders, you must carry forward the message of unity. Together we can create a more harmonious society without hatred and separate mentality.
Throughout his life, he strongly highlighted the necessity of integrity for nation and emphasized the importance of unity for winning independence day from traditional day. Interviewing today's Indian leader, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, government has built a statue of unity which is located at his birthplace in Gujarat. The statue stands 22 meters high, making it one of the tallest monuments in the world.
The idea of unity, a vision of nation coming together as one beyond the bounds of race, religion and background. I have a dream that one day we will rise above the forces that divide us and stand side by side as a people bound by mutual respect and compassion. I have a dream that one day every person, regardless of where they are from, will be not just by their background, but by the content of their characters. With this faith, we will be able to transform the discord and amnesty of our land into a symphony of unity. We will be able to work together, pray together, struggle together, to stand up for justice and equality together, knowing that we are tied in a single
राष्ट्रपति लोगों के प्रति जो हम लोग के राष्ट्र में जो बताया गया है किस तरीके से हमें संविधान के प्रति अपने के प्रति बड़ों के प्रति कौन सा कार्य करना है और जिस नियम का उल्लेख किया गया है इसमें बहुत बड़ा योगदान है। इसमें कहा जाता है सत्यनिष्ठा का मतलब है कि नैतिक कर्तव्य अपने अंदर